You want a daily routine that actually makes you better? Here it is. First, wake up at the same time every day. Not because it's motivational, but because your brain loves predictability. The moment you wake up, don't grab your phone. Drink a glass of water, sit up, breathe for 30 seconds. That's it. Start your day with calm, not chaos. Next, move your body. You don't need a fancy gym. Do 20 push-ups. Go for a 10-minute walk. Stretch. Anything. Just break the inertia before your brain convinces you to stay lazy. Now, feed your mind. Read 5 pages of a real book, not Instagram quotes, not random TikTok advice. A real book that challenges you. Because if you don't control what you consume, the world will. Then write 1 page. Dump every anxious thought, every to-do, every idea onto paper. Your mind clears when your hand moves, and you'll feel lighter the second you're done. Set 1 main goal for the day. Just 1. Not a 30-item to-do list you'll never finish. 1 task that, if done, makes today a win. And here's the part nobody wants to hear. Cut the noise. Limit your scrolling. Delete 1 app that wastes your time. Your brain isn't built for endless dopamine hits, and that constant overstimulation is why you feel drained all the time. Spend 30 minutes doing something you actually care about. A hobby, a side project, learning a skill, something that makes you feel alive. Then, when the day ends, reflect for 5 minutes. Ask yourself, what did I do well? What can I do better tomorrow? And write it down. That's it. No magic trick. No perfect morning routine. Just a handful of habits done consistently, because small actions compound, and the people who look lucky in 5 years, they're the ones who quietly did this stuff when nobody was watching. So start today or don't. But remember, your future is built in the boring, simple shit you do every day.